What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. So today in the stock market, Palantir recovered from his little sell-off yesterday. We had, up like 4%, like 117 and change. I think 117.65 as of the time of this recording. Robinhood just beat earnings, blew it out the park. They up like 15%, 65%. Is disgusting. I wish I had me some Robinhood calls. We got a few Robinhood shares. And of course, last but not least, CPI came in a little hotter than expected, which got the market thinking that Jay Powell is not going to lower rates anytime soon, but that was already kind of known. So the market didn't really react that bad to it. So anyway, we have $666 a day, up to like 21.5, and we're gonna show the positions. We're gonna talk about what we did today. So first, with the Palantir position, some of the calls we had yesterday, I rolled them today. The one I bought at close, that I showed you guys, I was actually up on it like 20-30%. So I took that, me, bought a little bit of Tesla, Palantir, SPY, things like that. And some of my other calls, they were recovering, from the sell-off, but the implied volatility is kind of wacky right now. So what I did was I sold a lot of those other calls you saw me with, and I just put all the money into this April 17th call, this $155 call. So that's the way I'm gonna play this for now, at least until the implied volatility comes down on Palantir. We did buy like another 15 bucks worth of it, so we're up to 86.3 shares of Palantir, over 10 bands worth of Palantir from trading it. Alex Cart was answering investor questions. It's just his time, it's just the company's time. Everybody's getting on the wave of software companies instead of hardware companies. So Palantir is just the first to break out of the software companies, and it's great for my portfolio. So let's keep going. Rigetti, I was supposed to be consolidating the losers. My plan, I was supposed to be selling $20 worth of Rigetti today, but I forgot. So we still got it. We down 31% on Rigetti, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Very small position, only down 10 bucks. We made a lot of money trading the options before we just calmed down on the quantum trade. I'm still watching it because I still be hearing bull cases for the quantum trade. So, I'm not really necessarily interested in getting back active with the calls like y'all saw me do earlier on this channel right now. But I'm definitely still watching it because you never know. It could come around again. So Serve and Symbiotic are up. Looks like those down days we had was buying opportunities. I'm actually about to get back to trading some of the options of some of these stocks, what I'm saying, like maybe some of these robotics plays, maybe Robinhood. I should have bought the Robinhood calls, man. But we didn't have buying power at first, now we do. So we're gonna be making a lot more moves. Tesla, actually made a fat finger mistake on Tesla. As y'all can see, my cost basis on Tesla has dropped because I had meant to buy $10 worth of Tesla. I clicked 10 shares worth of Tesla, and I slick should have held the 10 shares because I would have made like 40-50 bucks. But we realized our mistake and got out the Tesla shares and gave away like $7 for no reason, and it knocked my cost basis down. But we did buy some more Tesla. We up to $737 worth of Tesla. It says my cost base is $342, but I remember my cost base is actually more like $399. So, we still down like 10-15% on Tesla, but it don't matter. We waiting on the robots, and we just gonna keep adding to Tesla. I'm not gonna try and do so much that it drag down my portfolio, but we definitely adding to Tesla. SPY, we up to $722 worth of that SPY right now, you know what I'm saying? So we always gonna be adding to that. You gotta have some sort of backup, some sort of insurance in case you get things wrong out here. So we always add to the SPY. Great investment for everybody. Vistra Energy, you know what I'm saying? We still flat on Vistra Energy, $20 worth of Vistra Energy right now. We got Walmart. I'm liking Walmart, man. It's performing well. I'm gonna be adding to it. Like, I like what I'm seeing. Yeah, it's just one of those picks. Oklo did a little bit of recovery today. We bought $5 worth of Oklo. That's gonna be one of my energy picks. As y'all see, actually, I glazed over it. Patterson Energy gone, man. We had to go put that in Oklo and all that. We still watching it because I ain't done with it. But we got new buying power, so it's about to be new positions. So we out with the old, in with the new right now. So anyway, Nvidia, Nvidia is back at 130, 131 area. So they still trying to recover from that deep seek drama. I would say they kind of recovered from the deep seek drama because Nvidia was hitting 130, on the sell off before the deep seek drama. But they still hanging in there. Like I said, I still like it. I'm not the biggest on the chips for 2025, but I'm still long term bullish on Nvidia. IBIT MicroStrategy, still down on both of those. We'll be adding to them soon. I think I bought $5 worth of IBIT today. Microsoft, I didn't add to that. I will be. IonQ, We down with that. That's in the same boat as Rigetti. Just watching it. IBM, we green on IBM, flat on IBM, but it's a lot of things IBM got up their sleeve. They got quantum, they got AI, and they got agents over there. So, I'm doing a lot more research, but I'm thinking IBM might be one of them sleepers this year. So I'm going to be watching it. Nothing's guaranteed. That's why we haven't went crazy on IBM yet, but I like IBM. Robinhood, man, start of the day, man. Anybody got them Robinhood calls? I salute y'all. Vlad just blew the quarter out, knocked the stock up to $64. They said it was going straight to 70. Them analysts told y'all it was going straight to 50. It done did all that. Not 70 yet, but it's getting there. And we have 50% on the little Robinhood we got. So, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that at all. And finally, Grab broke out, y'all. We've been sitting on the Grab for a little minute. Grab had a good update, so we up 37% on Grab. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they'll start executing some more. And, we could turn something into nothing on that position, hopefully. We'll see where that goes. Next, Google. Like I said, we didn't add the Google yet. Salesforce. I didn't add the Salesforce today. I'm thinking about possibly getting call options, but I need a catalyst from Salesforce themselves. That's the last thing I'm looking for with the Salesforce situation. I'm really looking for a catalyst from them. Cameco, we haven't added the Cameco yet, but we will be. Kava, I like Kava as well. It's down a little bit, so I need to get some on that dip. Broadcom, like I said, I really like Broadcom this year. Other hardware plays, I'm not going to be overweight hardware versus software, but other hardware plays, Broadcom is definitely one of my favorites. That's why I chose it in this portfolio over a lot of others, like the TSMs of the world. You know what I'm saying? I like their spot in the build out. So ARM, haven't added the ARM. Amazon, still flat down on Amazon. These a lot of new positions, off the Palantir gains, man. And we just doing our thing. These picks just going crazy, man. The Palantirs of the world, the Robinhoods of the world. We almost did it with Supermicro. That market didn't sell off right before earnings. That was another account. That's another story. We was flipping some Supermicro calls on the side. But these use cases is out. These companies are starting to do their thing. And people are just performing, man. People are just performing. I've been sitting on this buying power because I was thinking, maybe something would have a dip, but I'm not seeing no dips. I'm going to figure out how we're going to get this buying power off people. We're going to flip this money. But anyway, let's talk about some of these stocks and some of these charts. Let's start the day right. So, yeah, man, Supermicro was only up 2.7%, man. J Powell did us dirty. Before not J Powell, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, J Powell. The CPI came in hot, and it did us dirty. Before the CPI came in hot, we was up 14% on Supermicro. I actually got like a little $400 worth of Supermicro calls another account. I had made some money, and me, I had rolled it, and I had like $400 left. I thought we was going to Valhalla. It did us dirty on earnings, but it's all good. We made money off of it. I'm still watching Supermicro. I haven't been talking about it a lot on this channel because it's a high risk, high reward play. They got accused of being capped last year, but a lot of accountants are saying those fears are overblown, and if that's true, Supermicro could actually be the one undervalued AI play left. So that's why I've been playing with the calls, but I ain't gonna go too overweight because I can't go overweight a company that's been accused of capping on earnings. So we got Nvidia down 1.25%, AMD was up 0.5%, Apple was up 1.83%. They did well today. I think that was 2 days in a row Apple did like 2%. That's pretty good. Palantir was up 4.2%. The NASDAQ and the SPY, they were basically flat. SPY was down a little. NASDAQ was up a little. SoFi, we got the SoFi right here down 0.4. I got Rigetti, and the other quantum trades were actually up today. 13% on D-Wave, 6% on Rigetti. Qubit did 5%. IonQ did 0.8%. That's not bad. Oklo did 8.59% today. Robinhood and them boys, 15.29% after hours, man. I salute that boy Vlad, even though you did us dirty with that buy button. I guess we'll let bygones be bygones. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. I ain't mad at it. Meta, they just making these new all-time highs every day, little bit by little bit. HIMS broke out 6.3% today, man. It's like a lot of these small caps starting to bounce back. Let's look at these last little few. Tempest AI did 3.75. Grab 4.6. That's where we finally made that money there at the 5. Let's see what else we got. Serve was up 3.8. Symbiotic was down. GEO was up 3.67. Like I said, I ain't got the call right now, but I'm still watching it because I don't understand how we not making money on GEO. You know, we might have to get back with GEO. But anyway, let's look at a few of these charts. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all boys up out of here. Let's look at what happened on Tesla first, because that was the most interesting one. That's the one we did the deep breakdown on yesterday. So what did we say yesterday? We said this order block was the first bounce point. I didn't know if it was going to bounce, but that was the first bounce point. And so far they bounced. It's like we bounced to up here post-market. We're going to see, can they hold it? You know what I'm saying? It's like they need to invert this little fair value gap here. They got to get above this 351. They need to close like that. And they still got their work cut out for them. It's just the first bounce, so you know it's not over with. Like I said, if you really believe in Tesla, it's still not a bad zone to load up. If it gets real, like I said, we can fall this 200 EMA, this $300 area. Plus, that's a psychological level, so you know that would be a bullish area. But if you really bullish Tesla, it's not the worst idea to start a position here. Not necessarily mad at it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. It did me dirty. It just did me dirty. My light went out. All right. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to Palantir. What did we do on Palantir today, man? Yeah, they did their thing. They did their thing. We right back up here. We right off all-time highs. That's why all my calls not green yet, because apparently, dang, how was that? Sometimes it happens too fast. 1885, 82, good Lord. 1864, 1864. I didn't even realize that happened. But that's where we at with it. You know, Palantir sky the limit, man. You know, we the top performing software stock. People don't know what to do with us. You know, hopefully we keep mooning. You know, I got calls. If it dip, we got money to buy more calls, money to buy puts. You know, we ready for whatever. Like I say, pretty soon we're gonna be getting active with this buying power. You know, I've been being a little calm. You know, I want to just hop out, just pull the trigger. But we about to be using that buying power very soon. So, you know, last but not least, let's look at this QQQ. Then let me charge my phone, my light, so, you know, I can get light for my next night video, you know what I'm saying? All right, QQQ. They testing this order, they testing the fair value gap. We in here, let's see how high we can get. The highest we got so far since December is what 531.87. We go open at 530. So, you know, they still got their work cut out for them. It's not over with yet. You know, if you see any bad news, it's probably going to be easy put money. But, you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. If they can break out of this, you know, things could get bullish for the year. But we got mixed messages. We got, you know, inflation's not the best right now, but at the same time, earnings came in pretty decent overall. So, you know, we got to see where the market goes. But, you know, I'm going to be here every step of it with you. It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. And shout out to my favorite hater, man. You better learn the difference between, you better learn the difference between tort law, man. You better learn the difference between fair use and defamation, my dog. Don't play yourself out your sack. I'm out.